Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 1st to 5th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see in USD JPY 0.11% negative move, 156.126 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good small body, bearish body with a small lower and a slight upper wick, slight big upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here we can see already there are important support and resistance zones are marked. Currently we don't need to mark any such levels. Let's talk about straight about the closing first. So here 156.126 is the closing. Here the direct support is 155.961. Direct resistance is 156.312. After direct support, there is a support of 155.700 and then 155.438. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 156.737 and then 157.180. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two platform links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code for a Blueberry funded account challenge. You buy, you can get a 20 to 30% discount on that as well. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you have any query regarding prop firm or funded account, you can directly WhatsApp me on my number. I have already shared my number in the description as well as in the video in between. You can contact me over there as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move in this trend, that is 156.3122 to 156.737. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. If you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade till 155.961. If a one day candle or 4 hour candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short till 155.700. If 155.700 gets breached, then we can see a good fall in USD JPY. Remember that overall my expectation is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.